Hello everyone and welcome back to another drawing time at INKroverts. This time we are drawing Hermione Granger. These days I'm quite busy studying another degree and so I have less time to think about what exactly I want to draw, and usually when I draw original illustrations I would think a lot, sketch a lot of drafts about how I want the composition to be, how I want the color composition to look like, and so it would take more time than I would prefer these days. So as a substitute, I looked up screenshots of things I want to draw. What I want to draw is something from Harry Potter, I thought, because I was rereading the series for the almost 20th time. I've been reading Harry Potter since I was in primary school, and now I'm in my 20s and I'm still rereading it. I've chose this screenshot of Hermione in her second year brewing the Polyjuice potion. Honestly, I'd really love to find screenshots of the trio, or maybe Ron and Harry, or some other characters, because there's just so many screenshots of Hermione. I've been looking through Pinterest and there are a lot of good looking ones, and most of them are Hermione, and I was like, oh, what? Where did that come from? And I want to give other characters a chance, but still I prioritize the composition, like how it might look in my painting in general, and I thought finally, very well, fine, then I would choose this Hermione screenshot. Is that a screenshot? I don't think so. I think it's more like a movie poster or something, because it's too well put together, They put the HG potion case, the HG letters are facing the front, and it's more like a photograph taken for promotion other than a screenshot. And anyway, going back to the drawing itself, I was so angry because Ocam, the software I used to record my drawing, has failed me yet again. I've lost about an hour and a half of footage, and I can't believe that the files are completely corrupt. I can't open it with another video software, and I saw that there's some kind of software that fix corrupted files, but I don't want to spend money on it simply for this video. But honestly, I'm seriously thinking about using another screen recording software in the future. At the moment I can't find anything else. I tried things like FreeCam and a couple other free software, because they don't immediately save the video after I hit the stop recording button. They export the video file after I click the stop recording button. So what comes out is that after I click the stop, they have to load for an hour in order for me to click the record button again, or maybe longer if I record like 2 hours of video, and that I can't afford to wait an hour for me to continue drawing. That's simply no. And so I have to stick with Ocam. But if you have any idea what other screen recording software I can use, please feel free to comment below and let me know about that, because I really want to try another thing. Okay, let me talk about the drawing itself. Sorry about that, I've been rambling for too long. Other than trying to copy this photograph in general, I want to make changes of my own. I want to insert my own creativity in it, and so I decided to change the lighting for a bit. In the in the photograph, the lighting is pretty natural. It's indoor light. In my drawing, it's more of a dramatic lighting. There's the twilight sunlight shining through the window on the left, and so I have to adjust the shadows a little bit, and overall it's quite fun. And I was also surprised by how quickly I finished the drawing. It took about 3 to 4 hours, and at first I looked at the photograph and I saw how complicated all the items are scattered about in this composition. There's the cauldron, there's the Bunsen burner thing, the potion cases, and that's the entrance to the Chamber of Secret behind Hermione. And so everything is so complicated, and I tried to simplify it, and I think I did a satisfactory job. I'm especially happy with how I simplified the sink at the back. I wasn't familiar with drawing straight lines in Photoshop until I took a schoolism critique course, and I saw the demonstration from the instructors there how he drew straight columns for the background, and it looked really good as a method and a strategy to lead the audience eyes to make up a composition, I'd say. And so the method is to hold down the Alt button and to draw either horizontally or vertically to give out a straight line. And I did that for the sink. There's these little pillars beside the mirror, and I keep holding the Alt button and drawing straight lines for the background. And at the end I don't have to spend too much effort for it to look like the sink. I was happy about that, and I can focus my efforts on drawing Hermione and the potion set. And I find it quite fun to portray the dramatic lighting. So how do I explain this? For example, you can look at the cauldron. You can see that that's the brightest spot on its top left, where the sun shined mostly on the cauldron, and there's the reflective light on the far right side of the cauldron. And we'll also have to use different colors. The lightest color is obviously yellow, and the darkest is really dark brown for the rest of the stand and the Bunsen burner. I'm not sure how to describe it. I find it quite fun. It's like a magic trick where I simply draw a line of yellow and you immediately registered where the light comes from. Like the handle of the cauldron and the disc thing on the stand, on the side you see a line of yellow. That's the brightest area. It's very easy to, I can safely say it's easy to portray that. You simply draw a brown dish and then draw a line of yellow on the side, and it immediately becomes three-dimensional, and I find it quite magical. No pun intended. Anyway, at this point I'll leave you here to enjoy the rest of the video. I'll come back right at the end, so enjoy. thank you for watching till the end of the video. You can see that I changed the element a bit. You know, Hermione's actually pouring green potions into the cauldron, and it's a, fun thing to do. Make changes on my own and insert my own creativity. Anyway, that's the complete form of the drawing. You can see the full drawing on my website, INKroverts.com. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!